Just say to love one another, because I love alone.